up until this point, we're well versed as to what an ionic compound is. Now everybody recall that an ionic compound basically has two constituents. One is positive, the other is negative. We do refer to the positive one as the cation, and then the negative one as the anion. Well, today we're going to take the next kind of evolutionary leap in looking at a different type of ionic compound, and these are called coordinate compounds. And they're just slightly a little bit more sophisticated. In a coordinate compound, one of the ions has to be a complex ion. And you could take that at face value and say, okay, it must be complex. And technically it is, because it's not just going to be a metal. There's other constituents that are involved that make up the whole cation or that make up the whole anion. And when you're looking at a molecular formula of a coordinate compound, well, it's pretty easy, or usually pretty